Is the £350 lens hopper from Shure the only thing you need to get high quality audio recorded on your DSLR camera? Now, yeah, Pete likes cheap stuff, so saving money on gear is really his MO. So convincing him that I did the right thing by spending the best part of 400 quid on a DSLR microphone, well, that was a tough sell.
You didn't spend good money on a microphone, did you?
Yep. It's fine though, it's worth it.
Your money?
Yeah.
Not my money?
Not your money.
Right.
So clearly this video is less of a straight up review and more of a 5 minutes of me trying to convince Pete why this was worth spending his money on.
My money?
The Shure VP83F is a cold shoe mounted supercardioid condenser microphone specifically designed for helping DSLR and mirrorless video shooters capture superior quality audio in their videos. Now, beyond all the normal and industry standard features such as a 3.5mm output, suspension mounting and agonizingly low noise levels, there is one key feature with this microphone that stands it out from the crowd of DSLR microphones. The Shure VP83F features an internal recorder, and that means that this microphone features a supreme quality microphone preamp and analog to digital converter, allowing you to record uncompressed 24-bit WAV files onto an internal micro SD card. Whilst using this internal recording feature, audio is still passed through the mic preamp to the 3.5mm jack, allowing for simultaneous recording onto the camera itself too. This in of itself is a fantastic feature, meaning that you not only have the ability to capture higher quality audio through the Shure preamps, but also make use of a redundancy audio recording in the camera itself. The microphone also features a fully detailed menu system, accessible via a backlit LCD screen, with indication for audio metering, battery levels, track information, mic gain, and remaining record times. So clearly, the VP83F is actually far more than just an on-body microphone. This is a miniaturized full audio solution. But let's get to actually using it a bit more and finding out the good and the bad bits of this on-body microphone. Firstly, and most importantly, is the audio quality, which for an on-body DSLR microphone, I'd say is second to none. In case you missed it, at the start of the video, this whole video was recorded with this microphone, so you can judge the quality for yourself. The important features such as noise to signal ratios, off-axis rejection, and the general tonality of this microphone are all on point, but really, that is to be expected when you buy a microphone from audio heavyweights like Shure. For me, the real clincher of this microphone is that built-in recording feature. Quite often when you're recording audio in this form, the real missing link for quality isn't the microphone you're using, but it's the camera's microphone preamps. They are almost always trash, especially on DSLR and mirrorless cameras. In fact, I'm yet to hear a good one on any camera we've ever used. The VP83F bypasses this issue altogether, and the built-in preamp and digital converters are really good. So this microphone isn't just a step up in terms of microphone quality, but it's really an investment into improving the quality of your entire audio signal chain. Now, having something this fully formed and covering so many audio bases obviously is a really good thing on paper, but it does come with some usability issues. The VP83F is a complicated bit of gear to use, especially when confronted with the faster paced world of run and gun filmmaking that you often associate with DSLR shooting. Now, all of the controls and the menu options are a little hindered by that miniature LCD screen and the small controls, and at times the plethora of controls slow you down in your filmmaking. In many respects, this isn't a shortcoming of this product itself, but of more complicated bits of filmmaking equipment in general. This microphone sits in that tricky junction between vlog-friendly and a more deliberate setup required piece of filmmaking tech. Gear that sits in that junction between professional and casual use always suffers. The price point and the usability often hinders the more casual users, and sadly, for this microphone, it is true of the VP83F. Now, nearly £400 for a DSLR microphone is a huge amount of money, I know, especially when you can find cut price off-brand versions for about 10% of that. But for me, this microphone does represent every penny of that price point. This is more than buying into a great branded microphone, but rather is an investment into improving almost every aspect of your audio setup in one single purchase. So there you go, Pete, I told you. Totally worth it.
Worth your money.
Worth your money. Anyway, for some more information on the Shure VP83F, there is of course some links below. And whilst you're down there, why not consider subscribing to our channel? That's been my grab and go review of the Shure VP83F. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.